Veracity is currently exploding, guys. I mean, we are making an expansion and an explosion away from the exponential moving average right here. As you guys can see, ever since we broke above the EMA ribbon, we have been making some nice little waves to the upside. The question is, where are we going in the near future? Where is VRA going? What is happening? What's the price prediction? What's the price target? Are we in a new bull market? Is this a bull cycle or a mini pump? Let's have a look at VRA real quick on the 4-hour time frame. And before we dive into the whole technical analysis, I do want to go and dive into coin market cap. So Veracity currently ranked, guys, 436. And we have right here a market cap of $36 million ranked and up 16% in the past 24 hours, guys. I mean, look at the volume. The volume is nice. The volume is up 89% in the past 24 hours. So 27% of the market cap is currently being traded right now. Looking very, very good. Of course, this is going to be a short video overall. But let's have a look and continue with this right here. 371,000 people on the watch list. Okay, so we almost are near that 500,000 people on the watch list. So guys, if you are a VRA fan, first of all, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and of course, make sure you hit that star on VRA because it will only help the community grow. And of course, guys, if you know me, CryptoDose, I do post a lot about VRA and Cadena, and VRA is one of my big bags for the next bull market. I think this is going to be a coin that will thrive, and that's about it. Now, why is VRA pumping? Well, the most recent news that we got was 4 days ago, and it said VRA is pleased to announce that Veracity staking will be extended through 31st of March of 2024 at 15%. So they keep extending the staking. Of course, that's massive and great news for VRA. Now, this is the only news we have received from VRA. I mean, I don't see anything else. I mean, can this be a potential new bull market? Is this why Veracity is pumping? We know Bitcoin has been pumping, currently traded at 21,200. So obviously this is a huge reason why we're seeing, the whole market pump, right? And by the way, guys, if you do want to trade VRA, make sure you hit that link in the description below. You could get up to $9,100 in trading deposit bonuses. And of course, guys, you could also trade VRA on 5x leverage on MEXC. So if you guys want to, trade long or even buy on spot, which is completely okay, which is what I'm doing. I'm buying VRA for the long term. You could, of course, do that. You could, of course, use my link in the description below, and that's about it. Let's have a look at some TA analysis real quick. What is happening? So first of all, guys, we've been trending for a while below the EMA ribbon on the daily time frame. Let's move the daily time frame right here. Okay, so this is very, very important. We did have this nice little mini pump right here on Veracity. We had this fake out, exploded, and then boom, came back down. But now, guys, what are we seeing on Veracity? Well, we're seeing the yellow EMA ribbon flipping or about to flip on the daily time frame. And if this happens, we could see a massive, massive pump from Veracity. The question is will we see a pump? Is this just a fake out? Why is this market pumping? So ever since the inflation data came out, CPI, we saw everything pumping. So it's very, very interesting. Now, my price target for VRA, of course, I mean, as I'm making this video, I didn't think we were going to pump this much. We pumped 7% since I wanted to start making this video. And my price target, guys, for VRA is actually supposed to be this area right here. If I put a green box, we know we have a lot of resistance or support that flip to resistance right here. If we do manage to break above that, I mean, my next area would probably be 41. It's going to be very, very interesting to see if we can see VRA pump as high as 41. I mean, that would be another 20% pump. Should you essentially take profit right here? Yes. And the reason why I say that is because we are still in a bear market, guys. Bitcoin is still in a bear market. We got interest rate data coming out in literally 2 weeks from now, and we got earnings seasons coming out on the stock market, and it's going to be pretty bad if we see that happening. But guys, VRA is pumping. Should you take some profit? Yes, don't be too greedy. Me, as a big VRA holder, I'm going to be taking a little bit of profit here. And as you guys can see right here, we are actually getting rejected exactly as my target. So this is my target right here, approximately this box. I don't think we go above this box today. I would hope that we get some sort of rejection, some sort of pullback before continuing. But as of right now, we are currently getting rejected right here as I am making this video. So it's pretty much live right here. So it's going to be interesting to see where this goes. And that's about it. But let's have a look on the shorter time frame, guys. I mean, Veracity, every time we come back and retest the exponential moving average, we explode away from it. So we went up right here. came back down, exploded, came back down, exploded, came back down, exploded. The big question is should you wait for Verasity to come back down, retest the EMA ribbon before exploding again? Yes. So not only right here are we overbought, I mean, yeah, we're overbought on the RSI, of course, which I'm going to pull out in just a minute, but we're also, guys, we're also right here, we're also exploding away from the EMA ribbon. And usually you want to essentially buy when Verasity is retesting the exponential moving average, not exploding. You don't want to FOMO into the run, especially with leverage. Very, very dangerous. Am I saying you should short? No. But in my opinion, we're most likely going to get a retest at least to this area right here. And guys, remember, these EMA ribbons are going to continue going up. So assuming Verasity consolidates right here, and I could be completely wrong, but assuming Verasity consolidates right here, we're going to see these EMA ribbons come all the way back up here. So that doesn't mean, I'm not saying we're going to come back all the way and, you know, short, and this is going to be a crazy dump and you should short, let's see how much this is, 12%. I'm not saying that at all. What I'm saying is that you should wait until it retests these EMA ribbons. So whether that means putting a notification at the exponential moving average, which is very, very doable. I mean, you could put an EMA ribbon right here at the top of the yellow one and say, oh, I'm going to buy, or I'm going to get notified once it reaches that. And this could be, well, right here also. So Verasity right now is looking pretty good overall. This market is looking good, but I wouldn't be so hyped for the long term or for the medium term yet. For the extremely long term, going into 2024 or maybe second half of 2023, I think we're gonna start a bull market, but I don't see myself being out of the woods completely yet. Let's have a look at the RSI before I end in this video. This is what I was talking on the RSI about being overbought. Anything that's above 70, guys, is overbought, and anything that's above or below 30, sorry, is oversold. So right here, investors, we're like, oh, Veracity's oversold. Boom, we're below 30. Let's have a look. Boom, what happened? Exploded. And this is exactly what is happening right now. What happened right here? Boom, investors said we're overbought. What happened? Boom, came down. So can we see the same thing happening again right here? Possibly. What happened right here? Overbought, boom, came back down. So we're most likely going to see a correction on VRA. It's only a matter of when, not if. It's definitely going to happen. And especially right now, we're at resistance. There's a lot of signs telling us a pullback is imminent. So that is my video, guys, on VRA. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to leave a like, smash that subscribe button, and have fun. Be safe out there. I'll see you guys in my next video tomorrow, or maybe later. I'm about to make an update on Lunk. If you guys are Luna fans, make sure you stick around.